or happy weekend. Glad to have you join us on the 3-day weather forecast from NIMET. I am still your anchor, Chinonso Nwachukwu. Parts of the northern region is still relatively dry with sunny spells and possibilities of moderate dust haze expected around parts of Yobe, Borno, Kano, and Katsina states, whereas parts of Taraba, Adamawa, Gombe, Bauchi, and Kaduna state with considerable level of moisture and good cloud cover are expected to have some isolated thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours of Saturday. These thunderstorms are also expected to affect parts of Plateau, the Federal Capital Territory, Kogi, and Benue states, not leaving out some parts of the inland cities of the south, especially parts of Ogun, Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, parts of Imo, Abia, and Ebonyi states. Some states around the coastal region are also expected to experience these isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures are still on the rise, with a range of 38 to 42 degrees Celsius around the northern region, while the central and the southern region should have maximum temperatures ranging between 34 to 38 degrees Celsius. Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, is expected to peak at 38 degrees Celsius. For the air quality index, we expect moderate air quality around parts of the north central and the inland cities, including parts of the coast, while the areas in orange should have unhealthy air for sensitive groups. To the areas in red and purple color, we expect unhealthy to very unhealthy air quality to dominate. Residents of Taraba and Kogi State are expected to wake up to isolated thunderstorms during Sunday morning, including the good people of Imo State as well as the coastal states of Edo, Delta, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, and Bayelsa states. As the day progresses, we expect bulk of these thunderstorms to parts of Taraba, Gombe, and Bauchi. We expect most cities around the north central region spanning through Niger, Kwara, the Federal Capital Territory, Kogi, Benue, and Plateau State, including Nasarawa State, should have good prospects of afternoon and evening thunderstorms, while to the southern states, we still expect thunderstorms to persist around Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, Oyo, Ogun, Osun, Ekiti, and the coastal stretch. Temperatures are expected to rise to 43 degrees Celsius in parts of the northern region, especially parts of Katsina and parts of Borno and Adamawa states. We expect the remaining states around the north to range between 38 to 42 degrees Celsius. To the north central region, we expect a peak of 39 degrees Celsius to parts of Benue states, while the remaining states should not be between 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. The southern cities are expected to maintain a mild temperature of 34 to 35 degrees Celsius. The air quality index depicts moderate air quality to some cities around the north central and the southern region. Of course, we have some orange coloration around parts of the north central region, which indicates that those areas are expected to have unhealthy air for sensitive group, as well as some parts of the northern region. To the areas in red, we expect unhealthy air to dominate. By Monday morning, we expect good moisture influx, with moisture depth getting to the northern region and possibilities of morning thunderstorms to parts of Kaduna, Bauchi, and Taraba states. We also expect some cities around the north central region to be affected by these thunderstorms, especially the Federal Capital Territory, Nasarawa, Plateau, and Niger states. To the southern cities, we also expect parts of Ondo, Ogun, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, and Bayelsa states to have their own fair share of the morning thunderstorms. As we progress into the day, we expect thunderstorm activities to span through Taraba State, affecting parts of Bauchi, southern Adamawa, including parts of Kogi, the Federal Capital Territory, Kwara, and Niger State. Cities around the south as well are expected to have this afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Temperatures are expected to range between 38 to 43 degrees Celsius around the northern region, as we can see, with Katsina State with a peak of 43 degrees Celsius. To the north central region, we expect a temperature range of 37 to 39 degrees Celsius. The Federal Capital Territory is expected to maintain a maximum temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, while Kogi should have 38 degrees Celsius, with Benue State peaking at 39 degrees Celsius. The southern region are expected to maintain a mild temperature in their mid to early 30s. The air quality index is expected to be moderate to most parts of the north central and the southern region, while the northern region are expected to have unhealthy air for sensitive groups, with some places having unhealthy to very unhealthy air quality. And that's where we draw the curtain on the 3-day weather forecast. Please keep watching, and thank you for being there.